but that's in 2012 at 12 cents per kilowatt. We're at 16 cents now. So I'm going to take 16 cents, I'm going to deduct my 12 cents, which it used to cost me, and there's been a 4 cents increase. Now, to get the percentage, I'm going to take that 4 cents and I'm going to divide it by my original electricity cost per kilowatt, which is going to be 12 cents, and that's going to be a 33% repeating. Now, I'm going to take that 33% repeating and I'm going to multiply it by my original cost of the hot water heater, which is 501, which is going to be $167 extra that it's costing me now. So what is it costing me now plus the 501? It's going to be $688 a year.
68.
$668 per year. Now, what's that costing me monthly? I'm going to divide that by 12, which is $55 a month. Okay? Now, my hot water heater on the energy guide is saying that it cost me $55, but that's brand new. That doesn't equate for the elements being shelled up, the insulation being burnt up, and whatever sludge is down at the bottom causing it to be inefficient. So what's the average hot water heater cost? 25% of any average bill. So if I take my 0.25 times my average bill, which was $350, which is $87. Now, it's probably not going to be $87, but let's find the difference. So I'm going to add that to the 55 and I'm going to divide by 2, and that's going to give me $71. So Bob and Mary, your solar domestic hot water heating system is not going to cost you any money, so we're going to be saving that $71 a month, okay? Now, you also have a variable speed pool pump. The variable speed pool pump, when we checked outside, you're running it 8 hours. On average, that's going to cost $7 a month, $7 per hour per month. Okay, so 7 times 8, that's going to be $56. Now, 7 hours or $7 an hour times 8 hours per day is going to be $56 a month. A variable speed pool pump ran that same 8 hours on that low setting is going to save you 90% of the cost, which is going to be $50 a month. So your variable speed pool pump is going to save you $50 a month. Now, to be fair to you and Bob and Mary, the next items on your list are going to save you a percentage of your average bill. So we have a solar attic fan, which saves 10%. And then we also have radiant barrier, which is going to save 25% because you're not running your heat. Now, when I take 10% out of an attic fan of $350, it's going to save me $35 a month, correct? But if I put in a solar domestic hot water heating system, all right, and then I put in a variable speed pool pump, that's going to bring your bill down minus 71. So 350 minus 71 is going to be 279 minus 50 is going to be 229. Okay. If I put an attic fan in, it's not going to save 10% of 350. It's going to save 10% of 229. Okay, which is going to be $22. So times 10%, $22. Okay, now if I take the $22 off of my 229, okay, what am I left with? 207. Now, if I put a radiant barrier in, I can't take 25% of 350. I need to take 25% of the latter, which is 207. So if I deduct my $22, I'm at 207 times 0.25. That's $51 in savings on the radiant barrier. So now I'm gonna put my 57 and deduct that, or 51, sorry. $51 from my 207, which is gonna be $156 average monthly power bill, which is right where you're supposed to be. Now, that is what my new power bill is. That's the new bill. So how do I see my savings? Well, let's take the new bill from the old bill. $350, my new bill is $190, or my savings are $194 in savings. All right. Now, what percentage of my original bill is that? So if I take 194 divided by 350, what that's going to equal is 55%. Over 50% of your electric bill is going to be saved.